So now that we know what a calorie is, we need to figure out how many calories we need a day to maintain our current body weight. And to do that, we need to calculate our total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. Determine our TD or our BMR. So the calculation for me, as an example, these are my body stats as of today, and plugging them in the calculator or in the equation, my BMR is 1537 calories, which is good enough to just round to 1500 calories. And so for our TDEE, so we take our BMR and we multiply it by an activity factor, which is based on our level of activity, right? So this is the typical table that people use. It's up to your discretion as to where you think you fall. I would say where you think you fall and then minus one level down. Like if you think you're very active, I would do moderately active if you're trying to lose weight, and use that as the calculation for your calorie expenditure. But since we're not trying to do weight loss or weight gain or anything like that right now, we're just trying to be accurate. I'm going to say I'm moderately active. I rock climb 2 to 3 hours 3 times a week, which should be adequate for moderate exercise. So using 1.55 as the activity factor, that means my TDEE is 2,400 calories a day. So that means I need to eat 2,400 calories to maintain my current body weight. So eating less than that means I'll lose weight. Eating more than that means I'll gain weight. And it's worth mentioning that these are all estimates. These aren't exact calculations. So when counting calories and when trying to hit your calorie requirements, don't be super anal and neurotic about every last calorie. I would say plus or minus 200 calories is probably the region you want to be in. And averages over time are what's gonna make the difference. If you eat a little bit more on one day and a little bit less on the other day, it's gonna be fine. So here are some free TDEE calculators. These are totally free resources that I've used. Take your pick. I like them all. The one in the middle, 1%edge.com, is what we're going to use for our project. And we're going to use that to calculate our calorie requirements with our macronutrient requirements as well.